the realm of critical environments, purity isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Berkshire brings you an unparalleled line of disinfectants and solutions designed for absolute efficacy and safety. Introducing Versa HOCl, our green-friendly powerhouse. Breaking down into water and salt, it's the epitome of safety and potency, making it a versatile choice for any environment. With VersaQuat, save time without sacrificing effectiveness. An EPA-registered disinfectant that's ready to use, offering broad-spectrum protection with no harsh odors or chemicals. Easy Bleach redefines ease and adaptability. A broad-spectrum solution that's versatile and safe, making it perfect for healthcare and critical areas. Experience the future of cleaning with DuoClean. Our patented dry-to-wet pouch system eliminates waste and contamination risks, delivering precision at every step. Our SatPax IPA canister offers new levels of isopropyl alcohol saturation, ensuring a consistent and efficient clean every time, with less waste and reduced VOCs. The SatPax IPA pouch, designed for critical surface sanitation, meets the stringent requirements of controlled environments, making it your ultimate clean room companion. From advanced disinfectants to innovative cleaning solutions, Berkshire is your one-stop shop for maintaining the highest cleanliness standards. Trust Berkshire to elevate your clean room and industrial spaces.